Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today it is pretty cold out here. It is right at 32 degrees, freezing point. I don't know how in the world I'm gonna work today without freezing my hands, but this is the first day where it's sunny and no rain. Ooh. In the previous video, we disassembled the entire wheel horse, and we have all the parts in this trailer. Alright, so this whole panel, or this entire thing, is going to be the first part I start restoring. And I have all the stickers with me. And there's one thing I'm going to be a little disappointed about. And that is this sticker right here. This is what the original sticker looks like. And this is what the sticker I ordered looks like. As you can see, it doesn't look exactly the same. And I'm a little disappointed about that. From what I saw on the image of that website, it said that it looked like this, and I've looked online everywhere for a sticker that looks exactly like this, and I cannot find one anywhere. I'm really disappointed about that. So I'm wondering if I can just tape this with painting tape and then just paint all around it so I can keep the original sticker on there, because I want this thing to look as original as possible. We're gonna figure that out. This will be the last part we strip down and paint. Let's do all the other stuff first. Oh, it's still on there. Is there something else holding it on? Yep, there is. It's really tight on there. Got a good grip of that metal. Oh. There we go. Alright, so I just pulled the rectifier off and look at what I saw. I'm not sure exactly what all that is. If it's glue or if it's melted rectifier. But it looks like, I don't know. It wasn't really sticky on there. It wasn't really sticking to the wheel horse. That's what I saw when I pulled it off of there. At first, I was gonna say we probably could reuse this thing, but I don't know if we should now. I'm probably just gonna get another rectifier. So anyways, we have the entire panel in pieces now. It was surprisingly easy. This was the part I was most worried about when I planned to restore the wheel horse, but it was actually really easy, and I recorded it all so that in case I forget how to put some of it back together, I can look back at the video again. So we still got a little more disassembling to do on this, but I think I will go ahead and start sanding down this part. Alright, so I've barely even gotten a quarter of this entire thing done, and I'm already starting to wear out. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a lot easier to do this on a flat panel versus the rims, but it's still not easy. You have to hold your hand there for quite a while before all the paint starts coming off. But there's the bare metal. Alright guys, it's been over 8 days since I've recorded a clip, and I made significant progress since then. So what we have here is this panel is completely done, or sanded anyway. I don't think I'm going to try to get the inside too much because it's going to be too much work, and I can just paint over it. So this is ready to be repainted. This part, as you can see, I've sanded down as well. It's ready to be repainted. I'm going to leave the inside alone. And for this part with the stickers, I think I'm just going to leave the paint and the stickers on here because, as you saw previously, these stickers are not the same as the ones that I ordered. And as you can see right here, I'm working on this. I'm not done with it yet. I still got to do the inside. And for this part, I've got it sanded down, ready to be repainted. And that's about it. That's where we're at the moment. I still got to wait for the paint to get here. I ordered it online. It should be here Monday. So starting tomorrow, we're going to be repainting this thing finally. I can't wait to see this thing in shiny red. But we're going to do that in the next video. It's been nearly 13 days since I've uploaded on my channel, and I don't like keeping you guys waiting that long for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.